हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, तुम्हा सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती आणि मी तुमची खुशी मॅम. आज तुम्हाला स्टँडर्ड 7च्या सायन्सच्या बुकमधला फर्स्ट लेसन द लिव्हिंग वर्ल्ड ॲडॅप्टेशन अँड क्लासिफिकेशनच्या एक्सरसाइजचे ॲन्सर्स घेऊन आलेले आहे. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड माय मॅच. देर हॅव ग्रुप ए अँड ग्रुप बी. तर इकडे आपल्याला ग्रुप ए आणि ग्रुप बी दिलेला आहे, तर इथे आपल्याला जोड्या लावायच्या आहेत. तर मी तुम्हाला डायरेक्ट ॲन्सर्स इथे प्लॉट करून दिलेले आहेत. फर्स्ट इज लोटस, ॲडॅप्टेड टू लिव्ह इन वॉटर. सेकंड इज अलॉय, ॲडॅप्टेड टू लिव्ह इन डेझर्ट्स. कॅक्टर, hostorial roots for the absorption of foods. Venus flytrap, flower and leaves attract insects. The question number second is read the paragraph and answer the following question. This is your paragraph and the first question is, why is my skin white and thick? Why is there a thick layer of fat underneath? Penguin lives in extremely cold polar regions. The region is always covered over with the ice. It has thick skin with a thick layer of fat underneath because it does not allow the body heat to escape out. This is why it seeks protection against predators. Second question is, why do we live in flocks sticking close to each other? By staying in a flock, one is protected against the attack from predator. It becomes easier for parental care. Also, by sticking to each other, the body heat is not lost to the surroundings. Question third, which geographical region do I inhabit? Why? Penguin stays in polar region, especially in the Antarctic region. There is abundant food available for the penguins and thus they are seen here. Question 4. Which adaptation should you have to enable you to live permanently in the polar region? Why? In order of permanently inhabit in the polar region, the body should be adapted to cold temperatures. There should be thick layer of fat and thick skin to protect the body. The ability to regulate body temperature should be extremely good for survival. Question number 3. Who is laying? Cockroach. I have 5 legs. Answer is, cockroach is laying. Cockroach has 6 legs. Question number 2. Hen. My toes are webbed. Answer is, hen is laying. Its toes are not webbed. Question 3. Cactus. My fleshy green part is a leaf. Answer, cactus is laying. Its fleshy and green part is a stem. Question 4. Read each of the following statements. Write a paragraph about adaptation with a preference to each statement. Question A. There is extreme heat in deserts. Answer, the living organism residing in extreme heat of deserts show the appropriate adaptation in their structure of body and their life process. Camel shows many adaptations like modified legs, eyes, nose and the hump on the back. Plant stem is fleshy, leaves get modified into thorns to reduce loss of water. Stem performs photosynthesis in the absence of leaves. Question 2. B. Grassland are lush green. The water availability is ample in a grasslands. Therefore, there is a plenty of grass and shrubs. The fibrous roots of grasses hold the soil particles and prevent soil erosion. The equatorial regions, there is a lush green growth due to the sunlight and abundance of the water. Due to plant cover on all the sides, grasslands look lush green. Insects are found in large number. Insects are found in large numbers because they can live in different types of habitats such as land, water, forest and houses. They reproduce quickly and lay many eggs. Their small sizes help them survive easily in various environments. They also adapt well to changing conditions, so their population is very large. We hide. Some of those hide are weak organisms in the order of seek protection from enemies. They hide in their habitats. The coloration of their body mixes with the surroundings, and thus enemies do not see these hiding creatures. Example: chameleon, garden lizard can change color rapidly and become unnoticeable. We have long ears. Long ears are seen in herbivores. They have to be alert from the attack of predator carnivore. They can move their ears to locate the approaching prey. In case of such danger, they run away. They run away in herd. Having a long ears is an adaptation to escape from the enemies. Number 5. Answer the following. A. Why is the camel called the sheep of desert? The camel is called the sheep of desert because it can travel easily on desert sand. Its board feet help it walk without sinking into the sand. It can carry people and the heavy loads over long distance. Camels can survive for many days without waters. Therefore, they are very useful for transport in deserts. Question B. How can the plants like cactus and acacia live in deserts with a scarce water? Plants like cactus and acacia have special adaptations to survive in deserts. Their roots go deep into the soil to absorb water. Cactus store water its thick green stem. Their leaves are reduced to spines which reduce water loss. Question C. What is the interrelationship between adaptation of organism and their surroundings? There is a close relationship between organism and their surroundings. Organism develop special adaptation according to the condition of their habitat. These adaptations help them obtain food, water, shelter and protection. Different surroundings leads to different adaptation in organisms. Thus, adaptation help organisms survive and live successfully in their environment. Question D. How are organisms classified? Answer. Organisms are classified on the basis of their similarities and differences. Scientists study their body structure, habitat, food habits, and other characteristics. Organisms with similar features are grouped together. This classification makes the study of living things easy and systematic. It also helps us understand the relationship among different organisms. तर इथे आपल्या संपूर्ण एक्सरसाइजचे ॲन्सर्स मी तुम्हाला प्रोव्हाइड केलेले आहेत. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, व्हिडिओ लाईक करा आणि तुमच्या मित्रांपर्यंत शेअर करा. भेटूया नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग. स्टे ट्यून. बाय.